No, before that, we're going to do this. Ordering has got some sentences that how do we order in in the restaurant. So there are few sentences given here. For example, einen Moment bitte, zusammen, stimmt so, zusammen oder getrennt. Das macht dann the total. Entschuldigung, können wir bitte zahlen. Yeah, so these are the sentences. So you need to, I'll play on here and you have to figure out that which of these sentences are said by the waiter and which of these sentences are said by the customer, that is Gast. Yeah. So this you need to do. So I'm going to play. Yeah. So let's see. And then we're going to do a dialogue based on this thing, ordering in restaurant. 95. Yeah. So let's see which sentences are said by whom that you need to pick up here. G for Gast, K, Ka for Kellner.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
I couldn't hear you. You have to take what it was.
Okay, so we're gonna, is everybody here? Is everybody else here?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay then. So I said that we're gonna do a here and here in which there are some sentences you will hear. So you have to figure out that these sentences are said by the waiter or by the customer. For example, Entschuldigung, können wir bitte zahlen? That means, excuse me, can we pay? So this sentence has been said by Gast, that is customer. So you have to hear the other sentences. You have to tell me that are these sentences by guest or the Kellner. Yeah, Sana, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then listen to it and then tell me.
Entschuldigung, können wir bitte zahlen?
Einen Moment bitte. So, zusammen oder getrennt?
Zusammen.
Das macht dann 25,30 €.
Stimmt so.
Danke.
Okay, so number one has been done for you. Entschuldigung, können wir bitte zahlen? This means, excuse me, can we pay? Yeah, so this is by Gast. Next sentence. What did you hear?
Einen Moment bitte.
By whom?
By the Kellner.
Kellner, okay. Zusammen oder getrennt?
By first.
Nah, okay, let me tell you what this means. In Germany, it's a very good concept. I liked it very well. That like यहाँ पे होता है, like what we do in India, like if somebody has got birthday, we take that person to the restaurant, and like we collect 6 to 7 people. We go to restaurant together. We have a lot of foods, and all the bill goes on to him because it was his treat, like this normally. But in Germany, they have got a rule that no matter how many people you're taking with you to the restaurant, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 20, you have got two options, zusammen or getrennt. That means, do you want the bill together or alone? Yeah, because everybody orders his or her dishes. So after that, the person needs to decide, or it is already being decided in the group, that are we going to pay alone, like individually, or are we, or somebody is going to pay for the whole group. So somebody is going to pay for the whole group. That it's not a culture in Germany. Everybody likes to pay their individual bill. So if there are 20 people there in the restaurant, so the Kellner, the waiter would give 20 bills to each one of them so that they can pay their individual. If I am there And if I only had a glass of milkshake only, so I would only pay for the glass of milkshake, not for the whole group, that whatever they had. So in Germany, it's a very good thing that even if you take a whole group of people to the restaurant anywhere, you can pay your own bill and everybody will pay their own bill. But here there were two people, and it was in the first sentence you saw previously that he said, I have invited you, ish lada dish ein. So that just because the person invited the girl, that's why he said Zusammen. Zusammen means the bill would be paid by together, not alone. So Zusammen oder getrennt, Zusammen means together, or getrennt means separately. So this is the option that the people of Germany get while paying their bill.
In India, we don't get it.
Yeah?
In India, we don't get it.
No, we don't get it normally. Normally, I had an experience myself when I was traveling to Delhi like 5 to 6 years back. I went to a restaurant with my family and I saw there is two places were booked and they were like 20 people, and they were there was somebody's birthday. So we were thinking that, my God, this person is going to pay the whole bill. Like there were, I think, 25 people, and that to a very posh restaurant it was. So I was thinking, my God, आज तो इसका मतलब हालत खराब, इसकी तो आज pocket मतलब खाली. But then at the end we saw that the waiter bought 20 bills. Waiter bought 20 bills. So they were German people. They definitely, and it was a restaurant. It was a foreigner kind of restaurant. So they might have followed what they have been asked to. So they have told to bring 20 bills so that each of them can pay separately. So this is a very good thing I like about Germany, that you can go with a lot of people, but you need to pay your own bill. Yeah, nobody will, fall into your pockets that we have these things and now you pay the money. Nobody does that. So zusammen oder getrennt, this is a way to ask, together or separately. So this sentence has been said by the waiter, and now the guest replied by saying zusammen. Zusammen means together. So when you tell the bill, when you tell the amount, then it sounds like this. Das macht dann. Das macht dann means then the total is 25 Euro 30. 25 Euro 30. And then when you have heard the amount and when you agreed to it, then you can say stimmt so. Stimmt so is a phrase that shows that you agreed, like you are agreeing. Okay, fine. And then lastly, danke. So das macht dann, whose sentence is this? The total is
Kellner.
Kellner. Stimmt so?
Gast.
Gast. And the last one, danke. Danke is again for Kellner. Okay.